Hello, everyone. Welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ. Today, we have an exciting topic on the agenda, OAuth 2 and its integration with Spring Security 6. Let's dive into the world of modern authentication protocols. OAuth 2 has become a cornerstone in modern authentication and authorization. It's a flexible and robust framework that allows secure access to resources without sharing sensitive credentials. But what exactly is OAuth 2? At its core, OAuth 2 provides a standardized way for applications to grant limited access to a user's protected resources, typically controlled by a different service or server. It's widely used for granting third-party applications access to user data while maintaining security and user privacy. Now, let's explore how OAuth 2 is integrated into the Spring Security 6 framework, a powerful and widely used security framework in the Java ecosystem. Spring Security 6 simplifies the implementation of security features in Spring-based applications, and with its support for OAuth 2, it makes secure, token-based authentication and authorization a breeze. Before we dive into the integration details, let's quickly go over some key concepts of OAuth 2.0 that you need to understand for a smoother journey. OAuth 2.0 introduces the roles of a resource owner, client, authorization server, and resource server. Each plays a crucial part in the authentication flow. The authorization grant and access token are fundamental components that facilitate secure communication between these roles. Now, let's briefly discuss the OAuth 2 flow. It typically involves the following steps. 1. Authorization request. The client requests authorization from the resource owner. 2. Authorization grant. The resource owner grants permission, providing an authorization grant. 3. Token request. The client exchanges the authorization grant for an access token. 4. Access token. The client uses the access token to access the protected resources. Enough theory. Let's get hands-on with a practical example of integrating OAuth 2 with Spring Security 6. In this demo, we'll set up a simple Spring Boot application, configure Spring Security 6 for OAuth 2, and see the authentication flow in action. First, let's create a new Spring Boot project. Next, we'll add the necessary dependencies for Spring Security 6 and OAuth 2. Here, in our configuration, we're setting up OAuth 2 properties and defining the client details. Additionally, we'll configure the Spring Security filters to handle the OAuth 2 authentication flow. Let's run our application and see how Spring Security 6 seamlessly integrates with OAuth 2.0. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of OAuth 2 and explored its integration with Spring Security 6. Understanding these concepts is crucial for building secure, modern applications that leverage the power of OAuth 2 for authentication and authorization. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow developers, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you for joining us today at AnbuZ HobbieZ. Until next time, happy coding!